Alright, this is just a short little video to show through the device manager and home seer how the water valve events work. The first one is a simple close event, so I'm going to close the valve. Let's say that we get triggered by a water alarm or whatever and it wants to close it. The virtual device is set to close. The actuator or the relay to drive the motor is on. The water valve will show to be fully closed by this limit switch, and then it'll shut off the drive and it'll move the text to this to closed. The same thing happens in reverse. It says it's opening, we're driving it. As soon as the limit switch hits, it goes for 3 seconds and then shuts off the drive and shows that it's open. Now I'm going to simulate a fault, which means that there's, for some reason the motor doesn't work. I'm simulating it by removing the 12-volt supply to the drive motor. So now I'm going to try to close the valve, and it says it's closing, but it's really not going to close. It's going to go for 30 seconds, and it's going to make a decision that the valve hasn't closed because it hasn't seen the limit switch hit within that 30-second period. And at the end of that 30 seconds, the valve will show fault, or the virtual device at the top will show fault. I'll get a pushover message to let me know that it has failed, and I'll know that I need to check out something on the water. Not only did I have an alarm, but the stupid motor didn't work. And there we go. Now we've got our fault, and I got my pushover message. Now I'm going to turn the power back on. To clear the fault, all I've got to do is just tell the valve to open again. And since it was already open, it goes through the whole thing, clears the fault, and we're ready to go again. And that's it. The rest I'll show in the text of the post. Thank you.